This is how you make $1 million off of selling eyelashes. I've made money off of a lot of different things, and selling eyelashes are no different. Here's how. Okay, let's talk some facts really quick. According to Verified Market Research, which is a data analyst company, it is said that the eyelash industry is worth a whopping $1.3 billion. And by 2028, it's going to be a $2.3 billion industry. Need I say more? Now let's cover how to get that $1 million. The first step is Lash Services. So this is where you or your lash technicians will apply or install lashes for your clients. You can set your own prices according to what you want. And number two, you want to start in-person lash classes. These classes are taught by you or another instructor that actually teach people how to install lashes. These classes can range anywhere from $300 all the way up to $2,500 per course. Number three, sell some lash products. This can range from mascara, eyelashes themselves, eyelash curlers, and so much more. And last but not least, you want to start some online lash courses. These are for individuals that are not able to come in. You can reach people across the country and across the world. Once again, these classes can range from $300 all the way up to $2,500 per course. If you like this video, don't forget to like, follow, and share. And also leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought.